Hello and welcome back to Marcel Soaps. Today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful cherry blossom soaps. Before we start, if you like beautiful soaps like this, please subscribe to the channel for more soap making videos. When I make some soaps with piped flowers on the top, I always make two different batches. I added lye solution to the 200 grams of oils. For piping flowers, 200 grams of oil is very enough. I always end up making extra flowers, and I think I piped only 60% of what I prepared this time. So it's spring, and it means that we get to see those beautiful cherry blossom flowers. I usually go to the parks to see cherry blossoms with my friends, but it's quite different this year. So instead, I am making the cherry blossom soaps. To make pink color, I added calamine powder. Calamine is usually used as a lotion that treats mild itchiness, but also is used as a sunscreen. Calamine is also good for acne-prone skins, and overall it has lots of benefits. But most of all, I want to use calamine because of its color. I added titanium dioxide first, and then calamine. I didn't add any mica or pigment for the cherry blossom color. I usually watch some tutorial videos before piping the flowers because I am still a beginner. I really love piping flowers, and I think I get better and better as I pipe more flowers. But I still make lots of mistakes and have to ditch a lot of them before making some decent ones. I also pipe some individual petals because I know that there will be lots of empty spots on the soap, and small petals will be perfect for those areas. This is my second batch, and this will be the base soap. I got 500 grams of oils, and this time I premixed the calamine powder with the oil. Here, I add calamine to the soap after it reaches light trace. So you can see that the soap is a little bit pink, but I am not going to keep the color. I divided the soap into 3 batches and added blue and minty green colors. I want to keep the soap as fluid as possible, so after it reaches the light trace, I didn't blend the soap with the blender, but I only blended with my hands. But as you see, the soap gets thicker very easily. So here I am making the branches of the cherry blossom tree. I initially planned to pipe the branches as well, but the soap got too thick. I couldn't pipe it at all. So I just used soap dough that I made a week ago. If you keep the soap dough in the plastic wrap, you can keep the soap dough for a long time. Now I am adding those flowers and branches. Well, I am very happy with how it turned out. I especially love the color scheme of the flowers and the base soap. It has calamine, so I am definitely using the soap this time. Thank you very much for watching the video. And if you like those soaps you see, please subscribe to the channel for more beautiful soaps and soap making videos. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.